If you need to manage your contracts and its correspondent validity terms and payments, iPortalDoc is a perfect solution for you. You can use the contracts model to register a contract. In this case, we'll register a legal contract. Here we must fill our contract with the necessary data. We choose the department of our organization with which the contract is celebrated, and we also choose the entity with which it's celebrated. We specify the type of contract that we have previously inserted, determine a name for it in order to be easier to identify, and we can add more details on the contract, such as an observation that we consider relevant. If you wish, you can also indicate the physical location of the contract. Next, we may indicate the date when the contract will begin and the type of validity term. We must also choose the type of payment established for this contract. Considering our option, we must indicate the annual estimate, the payment term and the payment method. If it applies to your contract, you can also specify which is the warranty period, if there's any type of payment intention, or if there's any bank guarantee, in case the payment is not made. In this specific case, none of these three fields apply to our contract. Once the data of your contract is filled, you can submit it. This will trigger a process that allows you to insert your digitized contract. To do so, access to your action. You must fill the fields, choose your file and insert it. If you don't want to insert the digitalization of your contract, you can simply register this information and perform the action. Now imagine that, even though you had good references from this law firm, you see yourself in a complicated situation, since you've already paid the fees for the next month and the provision of services ceased immediately after the payment. In this case, you can register that information in the model, allowing other employees who may be thinking on working with that entity to know its history. After submitting this register, the history will be automatically available for consultation in your contract. Through the menu Entities, you can also insert history registers as well as access to a list, search by entity and see its respective history, where one exists.